Namaste. In this video, we will see how to make chapati with sprouted whole wheat flour in Shailender sir's method. Chapatis prepared in this method can also consumed by the people who have gluten allergies. These chapatis digest easily and give light feeling stomach. First, mill the sprouted wheat to get flour. To activate the culture, here I am taking 2 tablespoons of sprouted wheat flour in a glass container. And add equal amount of water and mix it well. Cover the container with cotton cloth. Then close the lid lightly and leave it overnight for activation. The next day morning, we can absorb the bubbles in the flour. The activation time is depend on the environment of the place. It may take lesser or more time to activate. This culture can be used for making chapatis, pulkas and bread also. To make chapatis, take regular flour or sprouted wheat flour. Add enough biosalt accordingly to your taste. And add 3 to 4 tablespoons pre-prepared culture. And bind the atta by mixing required amount of water slowly to make dough consistency. Usually we spend the time to continuously knead the dough to get soft chapatis, but in this method we don't spend more time to knead the dough. Just mix properly, then cover with wet cotton cloth, then put the lid and allow to rest 3 to 4 hours. This resting period more important to get the microbes activate and break down the gluten. After 3 to 4 hours, we can observe the dough got fermented. Now take the small portion from the prepared dough and flat them as usually. Use sprouted flour to dust the dough. Do not put the pressure while rolling. If you do that, your rotis will be very hard. Just roll gently. Once heated the pan, put the chapati on the pan. Wait for few seconds, then flip it to another side. Then cover with a lid. If you have glass lid, it is easy to you to observe the chapati. Accordingly, you can flip it the other side. Adjust the flame in between. Don't put the high flame too long. After 20 to 30 seconds, the chapati fluffed up nicely. And see the dark brown spots on the chapati. Now flip another side. Again cover the lid and wait for 20 to 30 seconds. The other side also properly roasted. Now transfer the chapatis in a hot box and cover with cotton cloth. If you want, you can apply butter or oil in this stage. We can observe that even after 4 to 5 hours, the chapatis are very soft. Thank you.